So good morning everyone. Today we discuss about auto transformer starter. Auto transformer starter. So up to now we discuss about the DOL starter, star delta starter, so rotor resistance starter. The final today is auto transformer starter. Auto transformer starter. So we already discussed about auto transformer have single winding. Auto transformer have single winding. In our second unit we can discuss the auto transformer have only one path. Auto transformer has only one path. So in this both windings are electrically and magnetically connected. Electrically and magnetically connected. So auto transformer starter, the diagram. So the construction diagram is, so consider, so we can go for 3-phase. So after that an MCB switch, after that fuse we have to use. So have to 1 2 3, that is indicates 3 phases, that indicates 3 phases. So after that we have to connect the 3-phase auto transformer that consists of 3 windings, that consist of 3 windings, consist of 3 windings. These are TPS to switches and indicate is a 1 2, this is 3, this is the circuit breaker, this is fuse, this is the 3-phase AC supply, 3-phase AC supply. So it can be used for the auto transformer starter. It can be used for squirrel cage induction motor, squirrel cage induction motor. So we have to control the less than voltage, that is reduced voltage as compared to all others. So we can go for the auto transformer starter. So it is another starting method to start the 3-phase induction motor. In this starting current is 6 to 8 times rated current, 68 times rated current. This also cause the reduce voltage dip, reduce voltage dip. So it can be used for taps providing the auto transfer. So the taps can be provided auto transformer in starting voltage. The supply in steps of 50%, 65% or 80% of nominal voltage. 80% of nominal voltage using the auto transformer starter. So in this working, so a auto transfer starter is star connected by activating the star conductor. So by conducting this close, this is comes under the star connection. And run contactor Km2 close. This Km1 and Km2 contact can be closed. This motor can be come to the star connection. In this arrangement, the starter and induction motor reduced voltage. The value of the voltage depend upon the ratio of tap selected. So the tap selected here you have to reduce, that is 50% or 60% and 80% at full line voltage. So next, after that one we have to some delay. The star contactor Km1 is open. So and the auto transformer act as a inductor connected in series with the motor. Like that, if Km1 is open, this is connected as a inductor connected series with the motor to supply this motor, thus maintain during the transition full load voltage and starting current as compared to all other starters. So advantages of auto transformer starter. So auto transformer starter limits significantly inrush current. It can be used for large motors. The circuit has advantage over starting with a regular auto transformer. Which need to be at some point, which can damage the electrical insulation of the stator. Most effective ratio of auto transformer is between, the ratio is 65 to 80%. Highest starting torque. Motor current larger than supply current. This method is suitable for large starting periods. Long starting periods. So drawbacks: the circuit is complex, involves relatively expensive auto transformer. So this is about auto transformer starter. So thank you. So applications is, so most of the bit of applications used for auto transformer for testing the machines. It can be suitable for squirrel cage induction motor, next synchronous motors, so like that. So thank you. 10 నిమిషాలు అయింది.